All right, well, we made it to the second place, day 3, Utase Outdoor Life Campground. I'm in the central part of Kyushu, and this guy has just a beautiful, this is his house. He owns all this place. The van's still looking good, not too dirty. We just did several hundred kilometers driving. But anyway, his place is beautiful. So we're gonna go out now, we're gonna drive and go get our campsite. Welcome to segment 3 of our all Japan trip. We're starting the video in Kumamoto, Kyushu for an overnight camp at well-known Utase campgrounds. It's a full amenity campground with storefront, showers, and even laundry services. It offers multiple campsites for RVs and tents, and even has log cabin rentals. On clear days, the famous Aso volcano to the north is viewable from most of the campsites. The owner does an excellent job at keeping the landscaping and grounds well manicured. And one thing I noticed that took me completely by surprise is in this shot there's a little cabin there in the back on the right, and there's actually a row of them all the way down. But we have a camping book at home of all the campgrounds in Japan, and it's actually over 20 years old. And I remember seeing a picture of these brand new little cabins from over 20 years ago in the book, and told my wife, man, someday I would like to visit there and camp there. But we realize it's like 2,000 kilometers from where we live, and we would likely never visit the place. And I had no idea that this place is actually the same place, Utase Campground. And when we made it all the way back home later, I actually got to see the book and verify that it is in fact the same campground that, you know, we had dreamed about, like, and wishing we could come and visit southern Japan many years ago. And here we are. Just can't believe where life takes you, you know, 2 decades later down the road. And I'm standing here at the same place I wanted to come to from so long ago. So that was a really cool experience, and we just really thankful we got to come here. The owner is super nice, and I highly recommend this place to anyone. If you have a chance to come down to Kyushu, please stay and check this place out. We got up early the next morning and drove across Kyushu to Beppu City. I call this place Japan's Steam City, as there are hundreds of volcanic geothermal steam vents blowing out of the ground everywhere. The next stop was Beppu Ropeway, where we rode a cable car to the top of Mount Tsurumi. Unfortunately, the weather wasn't good. It was very cold and sleeting with fog, especially at the top of the mountain. But on a clear day, it offers panoramic views of the city and the bay. We stopped at the famous Garden of Hell, or Beppu Jigoku, where there are multiple hot springs, hot ponds, and steam vents surrounding perfectly landscaped Japanese gardens.